Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change country on Wise. It's pretty simple. First you want to click on your profile picture at the top left of your screen. Once you click on the profile picture, you want to scroll a bit down and click on where it says settings. And from inside settings, you want to scroll a bit down again and again you want to click on personal details, the second last option. And from inside personal detail, the first option is going to be your country of residence. You can click on it and change it to anything you want. You can also click on the search at the top and search for the country if you don't see your country, and click on the little circle right beside the country's name. Once you do that, the country's name is going to be displayed over here. Once you change all the thing you like, just click on save at the bottom and your country should be changed on Wise. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for more Wise related videos just like this in the future. I'll see you guys in my next video. And remember, in my case, the country didn't change because I haven't filled the form up completely. So in order to change your country, you need to fill this form up all completely. Then only you can choose your country and change it, alright? Otherwise, this is going to happen. For an example, I click on save, nothing will happen. So keep that in mind.